Open the carton and take out the product and accessories. For pedal installation, lift up the chassis assembly while holding down the quick-release buckle on the bottom of the body. Insert one side of the pedal assembly U-shaped bayonet into the connecting rod underneath the chassis assembly. Turn the pedal to snap the other side of the U-shaped catch onto the. Lower the chassis assembly, and the pedal assembly and chassis assembly will automatically lock together. Unfold the body. Install the backrest and cushions, and adjust the condition of the armrests. Push the battery into the slot and hear a click. Turn on the power switch, and the power indicator lights up. Turn on with one click. Intelligent mobility scooter. Check that the mechanical brake is in the lock position. If not, adjust to lock before using the mobility scooter. Open the leg rest and install the leg pads. Stow the seat back. Press down on the backrest crossbar and lower the seat back. Accessory installation. The armrest can be opened and closed for easy getting in and out of the car. Turn off the power. Take out the cushion and backrest. Take out the screws. Take out the back plate. Loosen the power cord screws. Remove the wires from the seat plate. Move them out of the grooves. Take off the shell. Fold the backrest. Adjust the length of the power cord. Take out the side screws. Adjust the height of the armrest. Once they were set, reinstall all the screws. Install the shell. Install the backboard. Power switch. Increase speed level. Decrease speed level. Raise seat. Lower seat. Horn. Left turn. Right turn. Forward. Backward. Toggle between normal mode and sport mode. Seat tilt backward. Seat tilt forward. Retract the leg rest before activating the one-click folding function. One-click folding. One-click unfolding. Interrupt folding. During folding, pushing the joystick will interrupt the machine's operation. To continue folding, just reactivate the function. Same operation applies to interrupt folding during one-touch turn-on. Turn on/off Bluetooth. When the indicator light in the upper left is off, it indicates that Bluetooth is turned off. When the light is on, it indicates that Bluetooth is turned on. Seat over angle protection on/off. When the indicator light in the upper left is off, it indicates that the function is disabled. When the light is on, it indicates that the function is enabled. Additionally, we provide a USB port for charging phones up to 36 watts. Standard USB devices only support 10 watts power supply. Peel back the protective film on the USB port, then insert the power cable to charge. Release the mechanical brake to push the device. Turn off the power. Remove the battery. Fold the seat backrest. Touch the push bar with your hand. Follow the push bar up and touch the quick release catch. Release the snap to the bottom. Before splitting in the folded state, please take out the leg cushion and put away the leg rest. Touch the main diagonal beam with your hand. Follow the main diagonal beam upwards. Touch the quick release catch and release the catch to the bottom. Slide the seat forward. Press and hold the quick release button and lift. Pull out the footrest to complete disassembly. For assembly, install the footrest. Loosen the quick release clips to the bottom. Remove the backrest and seat cushion. Position the seat in the chassis slot approximately in the center first, with the seat aligned vertically with the slot and horizontally aligned with the slot. Just slide the seat into the track. Do not press down hard to lift the seat. Just let the seat slide into the track naturally. Lock the quick release clips. Finally, install the backrest and seat cushion. One-click power on. Remote lock. Remote unlock. Power off. Remove the battery. Peel back the power protection film. Connect the power cable. And plug the power cable into the socket. The red indicator light shows that it is charging, and it will turn green when fully charged. Charging can also be done while connected to the device. Before using the device, please adjust it to the height for one click unfolding to ensure safety. Do not adjust the seat height to the maximum position when going up or down slopes. Common troubleshooting. If the device shows any abnormalities, the control handle screen will display relevant code.
XSTO, ease your way to anywhere.